I've also done the AC delete kit to make more space for the turbo. You can still, this turbo should fit along with the AC, but I just decided to take out the AC. I took out all the lines for the AC. The heater hose lines I also have taken out. I just gotta find a tube that could connect these two. You see those two ones? I gotta find a tube that could connect both of them back together. So the old return line, it was a little messed up and I ended up messing up even more. I bought tape to, some sort of tape to close off the end a little more. It did work a little, but it's still a little too thick. So I think I'm gonna have to end up buying another one. But right now I'm gonna try to use this on this side to see if it works. Close it up really well. If it doesn't, I'm either gonna order one online or just go to Harbor Freight or something. This line right here, this side right here is probably the worst side. I'm gonna have to cut it off a little more again. But let's see how it goes. This side ends up going really well, and then I'm just gonna cut this off a little bit. But if not, you're gonna buy a whole new hose. I'm putting the thing for the oil return line. And the gasket. And this sheet right there. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if this oil fitting line is too short. So let's see. I'm gonna put it so it's gonna connect right there at the top, and it's gonna go right here to the bottom. So it's there's still enough, still long enough to cut just a little. Like I said, if it doesn't turn out well to cut, I'm just gonna buy a new one. Okay, so I successfully got it in. So what I'm trying to say is this entire line should, I think, should go all the way up to, I'll mark it, but it should go all the way up to there. in order for it to lock into place. So you're gonna be twisting this and the braid at the same time so it can lock itself in there.